Here's how you can create version history for forms and surveys.
So here we are on the sites and inside forms. So if you access any of the form, now you can see I have just opened up a form here, and I'm going to add a text field here. And I'm going to call this version 1, and I click save. And I can preview this. Version 1, you can see version 1 is here. Now we go back and we make few changes. We add another version on top of this, and we call it version 2. Right, so now you can see version 1 and version 2 on top of each other, and click save. Now we would have 2 more versions, and when you go to version history, you can see this version 4 and 5. If I go to version 4, you can see it only has version 1, and if I go to version 5, you can see this has version 1 and 2, and this is the current version. If we go to our preview and refresh, you would see version 2. But now if we go back and select version 4 and then restore to version 4, you can see there's a new version added, which is version 6, which is same as version 4. Now if we go back and refresh this, it should show only version 1. So this is how easy it is to switch back and forth between your versions if there is a requirement. You can see the date and time of the edit and who made the edits. So now people will be more accountable. So this version history is also applicable to surveys as well. So if you go to survey and you create a new survey, you can do so. So if you add a new survey, and now you can see this is not active. We haven't saved anything, so there is no version yet. As soon as you save it, this will become active, and you can see there is only one version, and this is the current version. And if you go back and make any changes and save it, you would see the second version in Survey Builder as well. You can see there is 2 versions now. So this is how you can keep track of the versions in forms and surveys. And if you want to fall back on a previous version, this is how you can restore to that previous version. So that's all for today. I'll see you in the next one.